We all understand the importance of setting goals in our life. We know that the goal setting is important to get success in life. But two things are very important while setting the goals. Number one, the goal should be very specific. And number two, the goal should be realistic. And when I say the goal should be specific, it means that you have to write each and every step clearly while setting up the goal. Like, if you want to reduce weight, then you should not say that I want to reduce weight, that is my goal this year. No. If you want to actually reduce the weight, you should note down that this is my current weight, this is the weight I am targeting, this is the time period I am considering to do it. When everything will be clearly specified, then you start working towards the goal and you achieve it. If the goal is defined in a vague manner, the outcome will always be vague. Another example, if you want to earn a lot of wealth in your life and your goal is like, I want to become wealthy in my life, that is again a very vague goal. If you want to gain wealth in your life, be specific. Like, this is the amount of money which I am targeting to earn this particular year, or within 2 years or 3 years, whatever. Specify the amount, specify the time period. And when you do that, then you start planning step by step to achieve this goal. So there has to be a very clear specification of the goals. Secondly, the goal should be realistic. What do you mean by that? The goal should not be too big that it should seem impossible to achieve it. Then you will lose interest. Or at the same time, it should not be that low that it doesn't challenge you. Right? It's very easy to achieve. So it should be in between, not very high, not very low. Slightly high is acceptable because that will always keep you motivated to achieve the challenge. So these are the two criteria which one should keep always in mind while setting up the goals. And once the realistic goal is set, you should divide it into small steps. And once you achieve every step, do not forget to do the celebration. Celebrate each step which you achieve towards your goal. That will always keep you motivated. This is my idea about goal setting. Harsh Tiwari signing out until we meet again.